Students, now let us solve another example. Solve 3x minus 2y is equal to 10 and 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 6 by elimination method. Students, for this, now let us take 3x minus 2y is equal to 10 as equation 1 and 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 6 as equation 2. Friends, now let us compare coefficients. Coefficients of x, coefficient of y. In equation 1, the coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is minus 2. In equation 2, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of equation y is 5. Observe students, are these are equal? No. Are these equal? Yes, no. Can we make 2 as 3? No. Can we make minus 2 as 5? No. In this situation, there is no common factors. There is no common factors for either x's or y's. Now let us take LCM for equalize. For equalize either x coefficients or y coefficients. For equalize either x coefficients or y coefficients, we take LCM of either x coefficients or y coefficients. Now let us take LCM of 3, 2. So LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 1. This is 6. Now let us convert these 3 and 2 as 6. For this, for making 6, 3 must be multiplied with 2. For making 6, this must be multiplied with 3. Yes, you are. First of all, we take LCM of these two coefficients. Then we can change this coefficient as 6, this coefficient as 6. For this, we should multiply 3 by 2, we get 6. We should multiply 2 by 3, we get 6. So, first of all, we can multiply the equation 1 by 2. Do equation 1 into 2. Observe students, 2 into 3x minus 2y is equals to 2 into 10. Yes? We can multiply on both sides. 2 3s are 6 plus into minus 2 2s are 4. Students, 2 10s are 20. Take this is as equation 3 for our simplification. Now let us do equation 2 in. We can make it as 6 for that 2 3s are 6. Equation 2 into 3. Observe students. 3 into 2x plus 5y is equals to 3 into minus 6. Okay. 3 into 2x plus 5y is equal to 3 into minus 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 5s are 15 plus into minus 3 6s are 18. This is equation 4. Students, observe here. In equation 3, the coefficient of x is 6. In equation 4, the coefficient of x is 6. This is plus 6. This is plus 6. How can we eliminate? Yes, you are. What can we do? Think? Yes, we can subtract. So, do equation 3 minus 4. Students, one thing. The equation 3 is nothing but equation 1. The equation 4 is nothing but equation 2. because we can multiply both sides by a constant number. Now we should subtract 4 from 3. Equation 3 is 6x minus 4y is equals to 20. Okay students, is it correct? Yes. Now 6x plus 15y is equals to minus 8. Minus into equation 4. Minus into equation 4. Minus into plus minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. Students, plus 6x minus 6x 0. Minus 4 minus 15. Yes. Minus 19. Plus 20 plus 18 plus 38. Students, y is equals to minus 19 multiplied here. We should transport it into RHS. It can be divided. 19 2 is 38 plus into minus y is equal to minus 2. Now we have the value of y. Now we can find the value of x by substituting y is equal to minus 2 in equation 1 or equation 2 or 3 or 4, whatever. Now let us substitute y is equal to minus 2 in equation 2. As your wish, you can substitute either in 1 or in 2. Now 2x plus 5 into y. What is the value of y? Minus 2 is equals to minus 6. Students, 2x plus into minus 5 2s are 10. 2x minus 10 can be changed as plus 10, 4. So x is equals to, this is into 2 by 3. So now our solution is our solution is 2 comma minus 2. Our solution is 2 comma minus 2. Students, now let us check whether the given solution is, the required solution is right or wrong. For checking, we know substitute 2 comma minus 2 in 1. Take LHS students. LHS, what is LHS? 3x minus 2y. Substitute x is equal to 2 minus y is equal to minus 2. 3 2s are 6 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4, that is 10. Observe, this is LHS. Yes, we got the solution. Now substitute 2 comma minus 2a equals to students. What is right LHS of equation 2? What is LHS? 2x plus 5 by 2 into x into 2 plus 5 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 5 2s are 10. 4 minus 2 minus 6. Yes, we got LHS is equal to RHS. Students, like this we can solve any pair of linear equation with any variables. We can solve by elimination method easily. Thank you.